That's our primary concern now. Right up here around Greene County, Xenia area, also into Bellbrook. Those are the areas where we have the greatest risk of some damaging winds. And you can see perhaps a little bit of a circulation right here, sort of to the south of Xenia. This would be down towards Caesar Creek itself. And this is heading northeastward, heading up towards US 68, so along Waynesville, Jamestown Road. You should be taking shelter out towards Maple Grove. That's the location if you're around the church out